a certain delightful Leela of Bhagavan which illustrates how Bhagavan comes to the rescue of his devotees in different ways, at different levels, in different circumstances. It's one more glimpse. Sri Ramakant Rai, Bhagavan's earlier life, brother-in-law, used to come with his wife and stay here. In the last quite a few years, in the last 20 years, they had been coming often, staying here. Once they had come, they came to the morning breakfast hut, and then Mamaji started to narrate an experience with a smile on his face. He said, always he and his wife together would go visit the holy places, enjoy the darshan of the various deities. But once, due to aging, he fell sick and he was unable to move about freely. But at that time, his younger daughter had planned to go for Vaishnava Devi darshan in the Himalayas. Mamiji was a little tempted to go with them. Though Mamaji was sick and unable to join them, Mamiji thought this was her chance to have darshan of Vaishnava Devi. If she missed it, she may not get another chance. She might not get another chance. So thinking so, she also joined, which of course met with disapproval from Mamaji. But Mamaji was a little afraid of Mamiji. He did not want to stop her. At the same time, he wanted to stop her. He was in a dilemma, but finally he agreed and he gave permission to Mamiji, and Mamiji also pushed off from there with her daughter. But after they left, Mamaji was regretting having to be alone now, unattended by Mamiji, and missing the darshan also. In the night, he had a dream in which Bhagavan appeared. Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar Bhagavan appeared. And what was more, the question that was going round and round in his mind, in his own mind, in Mamaji's mind, came out of Swami. Swami said, Ramakant, how could your wife leave you here like this and join others for touring? How could you allow her to go? How could she do this to you? You have always gone together. Mamaji was very regretful. He said, how can I bring myself to ask her? I am scared. It is you who should ask her. You ask her. He took the liberty to say that to Bhagavan. But as soon as he mentioned it, again the fear took over. What if Mamiji comes to know that he has recommended this and Bhagavan should talk to her or do something to her? She would be very angry. So he wanted to say, Bhagavan, please don't do anything. Let them go as per the plan. Let them have darshan and come back. But by the time he started, Bhagavan disappeared in his dream. Bhagavan had often said, if he or any deity appear in a dream, it is no dream at all, it's reality. It is in truth. Those people come in their subtle bodies, in the subtle level of the dream, and communicate. And therefore, Bhagavan had truly appeared in his dream. And now the next day, what happened? These people are going in a train. It was between Punjab and UP, and they were going in a train towards Khatri, that is Vaishno Devi's place. And suddenly, the train was stopped brutally. And then a rush of people, crowds and crowds of them, they began to climb all over the train. Some of them entered into the train, and there was some kind of confusion. And people were afraid, and some of them were getting down and started walking away. So knowing that they could not proceed any further, these people also, Mamaji's people also got down from the train and very hastily pushed off from the place. Haridwar was only 3 hours from that place, so they came over to Haridwar, gave a telegram to Mamaji that they could not complete the tour, they could not have darshan of Vaishno Devi because the train was stopped. And so they were returning. Mamaji was very happy. At the same time, Mamaji was also afraid. What if his wife should come back angry, and if she should take it out on him? So he was a little afraid inside. But what happened was something else. When Mamaji returned, she was very regretful that she left him and went away, and that is why this happened. She apologized to him for having done like this. And what was more, very soon after that, as soon as Mamaji recovered, they planned the trip again, and both of them together went and had darshan of Vaishno Devi. We see from this incident how Bhagavan operates, how Bhagavan's grace comes to the rescue of people in different ways.